presenting the Dodge 2019 Journey Crossroad. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, tires, P225/55R19 BSWAS Touring, STD, quick order package 22S included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP light gray accent stitching, pitch black clear coat, front wheel drive, power steering and ABS. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.